Next, chapter 13.
Chapter 13. Objective Overview. Differentiation between machine and assembly language. Identify and discuss the purpose of procedural programming language and describe the feature of C and COBOL. Identify and discuss the characteristic of this object-oriented programming language and program development tool. Identify the usage of other programming language and program development tool. Describe various ways to develop web page. Objective Overview. Identify the use of popular multimedia authoring program. List the 6 steps in the program development life cycle. Differentiate between structure design and object-oriented design. Explain the basic control structure and design tool used in designing solution to programming problem. Computer program and programming language. A computer program is a series of instructions that direct a computer to perform tasks created by a programmer using a programming language. Low-level language. Machine language is the first generation of programming language. Only language the computer directly recognizes. Assembly language is the second generation of programming language. Programmer write instruction using symbolic instruction code. A such program contains the code to be converted to machine language. In a procedural language, the programmer writes instructions that tell the computer what to accomplish and how to do it. Procedural language. The C programming language is used to write many of today's programs. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language, is designed for business application but easy to read because of the English-like statement. Object-oriented programming language and program development tool. An object-oriented programming (OOP) language allows programmers the ability to reuse and modify existing objects. Other advantages include objects can be lost, programmers create applications faster, work well in the RD environment, most program development tool or IDEs. Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. The just-in-time or JIT compiler converts the bitcode into machine-defined code. The Microsoft Net Framework allows almost any type of program to run on the Internet or an internal business network, as well as computer and mobile devices. Features include CLR, Common Language Runtime, and classes. C++ is an extension of the C programming language. C is based on C++ and was developed by Microsoft. F combines the benefit of an object-oriented language with those of functional language. Visual Studio is Microsoft's suite of program development tools. Visual Basic is based on the basic programming language. Visual C++ is based on C++. Visual C combines the programming element of C++ with an Azure rapid development environment. Ini adalah tahapan-tahapan. tahapan-tahapannya. Kita next. A visual programming language is a language that uses a visual or graphical interface for creating all source code. Golang Delphi is a powerful program development tool that is ideal for building large-scale interface and web applications in our RAD environment. Next. Power Builder is a powerful program development RAD tool based for web-based NET and large-scale enterprise object-oriented application. A4GL Fourth Generation Language is a non-procedural language that enables user and programmer to access data in a database. One popular 4GL is STL. Classic programming language include ADA, ALGOL, APL, BASIC, Fortran, Hypertalk, LISP, Logo, Modulation, Pascal, Pilot, PL1, Prolog, RPG, Smalltalk. An application generator is a program that creates source code or machine code from a specification of the required functionality, often bundled as part of a DBMS. A macro is a series of statements that instruct an application how to complete a task. You usually create the macro in one of two ways. Record the macro with a macro recorder. Read the macro. Ini adalah contoh-contohnya. Contoh dari makro. Web page development. HTML is a special formatting language that programmers use to format documents for display on the web. HTML is a markup language that allows websites to be displayed more easily on mobile device. Ini adalah gambar contohnya, contoh tampilan web berbasis HTML. XML allow web developer to create customized text and use predefined text to display content appropriately on various devices. WML is a subset of XML and is used to design page for microbrowser. Two applications of XML are RSS2 and Atom. Ini adalah contoh-contohnya dari XML. Dia ke XLLT dan bisa ke smartphone atau microbrowser. Kita next. Web browser can execute short program to add interactive element to web page, to send and receive information between your computer and web server. This program uses the CGI Command Gateway Interface. The script, applet, servlet, and active control. Nah, ini adalah tahapannya bagaimana CGI script bekerja. Kita next. Programmer will script, applet, servlet, or active X control using a variety of language: JavaScript, Bash, PHP, Flex, PCL, VBScript. Contoh Dynamic HTML. Di HTML, allow web developer to include more graphical interest and interactivity. Cascading style set (CSS) contain the format for how a particular object shall be displayed. Ruby on Rails (RUR) provides technologies for developing object-oriented, database-driven websites. Web 2 allow website to provide a means for user to Web 2 allow website to provide a means for user to share personal information, allow user to modify website content, and have application software built into the site. Most Web 2 sites use APIs. An API enables programs to interact with an environment such as a website or operating system. Webpack authoring software can create sophisticated webpack can include image, video, audio, animation, and other effects. Ada contohnya Dreamweaver, Expansion Web, Flash, dan SharePoint Designer. Multimedia authoring software allow programmer to combine text, graphic, animation, audio, and video in an interactive presentation. Contohnya adalah Callbook dan Director. Ini adalah contoh tampilan dari software multimedia Callbook. Program development consists of a series of steps programmer use to build computer program. Next, step 1, analyze requirement. To initiate program development, programmer review the requirement, meet with the system analyst and user, identifies input, processing, and output. Step 2. Decide solution. Decide a solution algorithm. In structure design, the programmer typically begins with a general design and move toward a more detailed design. Programmer use a hierarchy chart to show program modular graphically. Ini adalah contohnya dari sistem hierarki gambarannya, jadi dia bertingkat disusun. With object-oriented OO design, the programmer pack the data and program into a single object. Encapsulation. The sequence control structure shows one or more actions following each other in order. The selection control structure tells the program which action to take based on a certain condition, if then else case. Ini gambaran dari case control struktur control case. The repetition control structure enables a program to perform one or more actions repeatedly as long as a certain condition is met. Next, a program flowchart graphically shows the logic in a solution algorithm. Flowcharting software make it easy to modify and update flowchart. Itu contohnya adalah Smart Draw dan program Visio. Di samping ini ada gambaran dari Smart Draw ini. Kita besarkan sedikit untuk sebuah software yang dibuat sedemikian rupa agar kita mudah menggunakannya untuk memodifikasi dan mengupdate flowchart. Next, pseudocode use condenses from of English to convey program logic. Next, UML Unified Modeling Language has been adopted as a standard national for object modeling and development. Jadi UML ini adalah standar bahasa dalam kita membuat sebuah program berorientasi objek. Kita next ke lanjutnya. Check for logic error using test data. Jadi setelah itu kita menggunakan logic error menggunakan test data. Develop various set of test data. Determine the expected result. Step through the algorithm. Compare the result. Repeat step for each set of test data. Next, implementation of the design include using a program development tool that assists the programmer by generating or providing some or all code, writing the code that translates the design into a computer program, creating the user interface. Extreme programming is a strategy where programmers immediately begin coding and testing solutions as soon as requirements are defined. Step 5. Test solution. The goal of program testing is to ensure the program runs correctly and is error-free. Error includes syntax error and logic error. Debugging the program involves removing the bug. A beta is a program that has most or all of its features and functionality implemented. Step ke-6, document solution. In documenting the solution, the programmer performs two activities. Aktivitas pertama itu review the program code, dan selanjutnya review all the documentation. Ini adalah contoh video tapi tidak dapat diputar. Summary. Various programming language used to create computer program. Yang kita pelajari di chapter ini macam-macam bahasa program yang digunakan untuk membuat sebuah program komputer, dan variety of web development and multimedia development tool. Dilanjutkan dengan step in the program development life cycle and tool used to make the process efficient. Computer program and programming language. Discovering computer chapter 13 complete. Thank you.